Stella and Grace dresses are marketed as boutique-style fashion pieces with elegant designs, flattering cuts, and premium quality aesthetics. But the real question is, are they actually quality boutique dresses or mostly polished marketing around average clothing? Now, to be fair, not every online boutique is fake. Some customers genuinely like boutique-style stores because they offer unique-looking fashion that feels less mass-produced than big retail chains. Stella and Grace also has positive testimonials on its own website. What it does well: the dresses look stylish online. The brand focuses on feminine boutique aesthetics with soft fabrics, flowy cuts, and trendy seasonal styles that appeal to shoppers looking for Instagram-style fashion. Some buyers report decent comfort and fit. The company's own reviews mention soft materials, comfortable fits, and compliments on the clothing style. Where it raises concerns: quality complaints are extremely common in similar boutiques. This is the biggest issue. Reviews from many Grace-style boutique brands repeatedly mention thin fabric, poor stitching, inaccurate sizing, and dresses looking very different from photos. Possible dropshipping signs: a lot of modern online boutiques use polished branding while sourcing products cheaply from overseas suppliers. Reddit users frequently describe these stores as Instagram boutiques selling inexpensive imported clothing at premium prices. Marketing may exaggerate the boutique image. Several similar stores present themselves as local family boutiques while actually operating through overseas fulfillment centers. Complaints often mention long shipping times and expensive returns to Asia. So, are Stella and Grace dresses quality boutique fashion or fake marketing? Short answer: probably somewhere in the middle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.